thought centaurs were always pretty aggressive.
Well, like Hagrid said, they've never exactly been friendly. But sealing off the forest entirely? That's something new.
What is it? Did you see something odd?
It's nothing. I'm sure Hagrid and Professor McGonagall will sort it out. We'll be attending Care of Magical Creatures again soon enough.
Well, I don't know if I'd like that. Why is everyone out here? Have the centaurs taken over the Great Hall?
Doubt it. Centaurs don't strike me as the sit down and pass the gravy type. Sorry. Do we know each other? I don't think we've met. Did you want something from me? Or Daniel?
There you are, Voidmere. Please, Headmistress McGonagall asked me to escort you to your dorm. Let me do my job, will you? Brilliant. Would you mind walking Voidmere to the common room? I think she'll follow you.
Wait, me? But...
No buts, I'm afraid. That's the first reaction I've seen from her all day. It has to be you. Look, Estella Voidmere is a 7th-year transfer student. Doesn't speak much, barely reacts to anything. I overheard the headmistress and a few professors this morning. She somehow convinced the Sorting Hat to put her in our house. Because of you, apparently.
Wait, what? And Professor McGonagall just let her? Besides, I don't even know her.
A 7th-year transfer? Is that even allowed? Where was she before?
I've no idea, on either count. The headmistress would have handled it, but she and Hagrid are caught up in something in the Forbidden Forest. Anyway, I'll leave her in your capable hands. And yours, Mr. Page.
Right, well... Miss Voidmere, is it? The common room's this way.
bit rude, isn't she? Brushing off her fans like that. Why does she even have fans?
Why assume the worst about Miss Voidmere? You don't even know her. It's not like she chooses not to speak to us.
She walks off without a word, and you're still defending...
Miss Voidmere is a true seer. She has the sight. That's a gift most of us only dream about. Except she doesn't.
Witch Weekly says anything she says turns into prophecy. That's why she stays silent.
The sight? I always thought Professor Trelawney made that up to excuse her constant tripping over table legs.
Come on. No point explaining fate to the closed-minded.
Exactly. Respect for fate isn't something you can teach, especially to the blind.
And good riddance. I hear enough nonsense. Some seer she is.
Well, Winifred joined us halfway too. She's lovely.
That's different. Winifred doesn't have a fan club chasing after her with quills.
Oh no! Where did she go? I'm going to be in so much trouble.
She'll be fine. She's got the sight, hasn't she?
The Forbidden Forest!
I thought I might... Are you comparing yourselves to Harry? He had proper business in the forest. Serious stuff. No, I won't be thanking the pair of you. And the Weasley twins got more detentions than I can count, don't you worry. Oh.
Huh.
Oh. Oh, and how much detention do you reckon you two deserve, eh?
Wait, what?
No one's supposed to be in there right now, and the two of you best remember it.
I wish we could go in and see what's happening. It's not every day the Forbidden Forest catches fire.
Didn't you hear what Hagrid said? It's probably dangerous in there.
Oh. Ah. That's brilliant news. No more fire-breathing, teeth-gnashing beasts for a while. Ah.
Danger stirs once more. Time to consult Professor Trelawney's cards.
Can't believe I left my deck in the dorm. And right after I did a reading yesterday.
You got results from it?
Yes. I did a general reading about my studies last night, and it came true this morning in charms.
What card did you draw?
An upright last light. Professor Trelawney interprets it as dangers stir where moonlight fades. Step lightly.
And what happened? Did the moon vanish in charms class?
No, I got blasted so hard during pair practice I saw stars. By someone named Selene Fade. That counts, right?
That's too much to be a coincidence. Best stay away from her until whatever this is has passed.
Laugh all you want, Paige. Let's see if you're still smiling when Professor Trelawney asks you to do a reading for the midterm.
Her deck works. Here, take mine. I've got spares. You'll believe it once you try. Well, you never can predict how a reading will manifest. Keep the deck. I'm sure the two of you will need it.
Why did the professors decide we should sleep in the Great Hall again? It's not like centaurs are firing arrows at our dorms.
Yeah, well, they usually only do this if they think the dorms aren't safe, or if they need to search them. Maybe they're looking for something, or someone.
I think Mr. Potter went through something similar when he was a student. Sirius Black broke into the Gryffindor dorm once, gave everyone a proper scare. He was a wanted criminal at the time.
You don't think we're sleeping in the same bags from back then, do you? Ugh, I smell dust. An old chocolate frog.
Into your sleeping bags, everyone.
I think it's feet first, not head first. Oh, never mind. You're just messing around.
10 minutes till lights out. And no sneaking off after curfew, yeah?
Anyone still need blankets, pillows? I've got loads of extras.
Do you think the centaurs have a hand in all this? Maybe that's why we're all stuck down here.
I don't know, Daniel. Are you sure you don't mean a hoof?
I'm being serious. They're clever, aren't they? What if they tampered with the dorms or something?
I doubt it. I popped back to get a textbook from my room this afternoon. Didn't notice anything strange.
Centaurs are just half man, half horse, yeah? But Beaubaton has those flying Abraxans. What if some of the centaurs have wings too? Maybe that's how they got in?
You should talk to Wedgie sometime. I'm sure he'd appreciate your imagination.
Lights out! No more talking!
That was brilliant! I never thought this would happen. This is just inconceivable. You are the prophecy? Wait, I'm the prophecy? How did you do this? What happened? Who are you? Then she traced these 4 words on my palm, and after that, she just went back to her sleeping bag and fell asleep like nothing happened.
That's bizarre. You're sure you've never met her before?
Nonsense.
Ah. Huh.
Let's see here. This is what I think happened.
Yeah, she's like some kind of celebrity. One of the good ones from the looks of it. Unlike, well, you know, my lot.
Right. Anyway, I suppose we could try talking to her fans. I bet most of them would be thrilled to tell us everything they know. Maybe not the 2 from the other day, though. Let's see here. Finally, my turn.
Oh.
Please.
Oh, look. The closed-minded and the blind have returned. Hounding Lightfall.
It's all my fault.
Is that so? I suppose you'd be uninspired or dabble in divination if it's for the midterm.
Don't be fooled so quickly, Hazel. Let's see just how much they really care. Answer a few questions for me and I'll know at once. Question 1. According to Unfobbing the Future, seeing the fan in your teacup could mean...
That was terrible.
Next question. Seeing a falcon would indicate...
I think I've got it.
And last one. An acorn in your cup means...
I'm as happy as a Niffler in Gringotts.
They do know a bit of Cassiomancing at least. What do you think?
It's not often we meet anyone curious about divination. Maybe it really is up to us to show them the way. Very well. What would you like to know?
Let's see here.
It's the end beckons, actually. Precision matters if you want the reading to work.
Indeed. She once foretold treasures hide in the desert, except someone wrote it down as desert. Honeydukes was swarmed by would-be treasure hunters armed with forks for weeks.
This is just inconceivable.
Depends how you look at it. Every word she utters is a prophecy. She never speaks for herself.
So don't think her life harder by trying to get her to chat again. If you want to know about her, read Witch Weekly.
Kara's got a whole scrapbook of her prophecies. You could borrow it.
I suppose. But only if it's for a reading and to show you how great she is. And it comes back exactly as it left. No creases, no poking G-stains, and no accidental glitter.
Estella Voidmere. Seems like she's made quite a few prophecies. Some of them sound highly unlikely.
Not all of them. She predicted this storm, I actually remember. Went on for days. Flooded a few areas too. Esme was terrified. That's why it stuck with me.
If it was that bad, anyone could have seen it coming just by looking at the sky. Bit of common sense, really. Just like how I can predict you'll fail your next Transfiguration quiz.
Oi, that's uncalled for.
This is just inconceivable.
Ah! I'm sorry, Headmistress. I promise I'll study harder.
Let's see here.
Oh.
This is bonkers.
Oh.
Let's see here. That's just not right. That's just not right. I think I've got it. Merlin's beard. I think I've got it.
Ah!
Hopefully not everyone's out on field duty. Though, if it's anything like during the program... Hello? Anyone in? It's me! This memo's from over a month ago. Surely they haven't been gone that long.
I knew I'd forgotten something. Now, where's that file?
Hello, Miss Campbell?
Merlin's niece. That's a familiar face. Feels like yesterday we were sorting through the storage together. We really ought to nip down to the atrium for a cuppa and a catch-up. If only I weren't in the middle of 12 things at once.
You look like you haven't slept in days. Are you alright?
Don't hang now, Ed. Mr. Ward's got Louis and me chasing a missing persons case up in Shetland. Rain, wind, mud. Very scenic, very miserable. What brings you here? Hogwarts running a new program already? If that would be brilliant. I've got files stacked higher than the tea trolley.
Sorry, no new program this time. I'm just here to say hello. I came with Headmistress McGonagall. She's meeting with the Minister about the centaur situation in the Forbidden Forest.
So it's not all peaceful at Hogwarts then?
And on top of that, there are rumors. Something about a seer, and not so cheery prophecies.
Merlin's beard. Suddenly Shetland's sounding lovely. Still, them of that full duet under the Auror office, lucky for me. I've heard plenty from colleagues, like, the Junai Centaurs actually refused being status from the Ministry ages ago. Said they wanted nothing to do with us. Can't really blame them. Still, we've got a Centaur liaison office somewhere down the hall. Might be worth popping in. Oh, last I heard, they haven't managed any actual liaisoning.
Oof.
You said something about prophecies too, right? That's Department of Mysteries territory. Little like going through their doors. Don't think they rule out the welcome out with students. Anyway, that's the Loftune wagon. Shetland's waiting in the rain. It was good seeing you again. Good luck with all this.
Miss Campbell, wait! Excuse me? Do you know how to get to the Centaur Liaison office?
Haven't heard much about that place in years. Wouldn't be surprised if it's mostly just been collecting dust. And who might you be then? Bit too young to be a new recruit, and too serious looking to be a lost kid. Don't see any hooves either, so you're clearly not the kind we were hoping to liaise with.
I'm a Hogwarts student. Our headmistress is here about a centaur situation, so I thought she'd be over there with people who are supposed to be concerned, I guess?
Ah, well, that rules out the Centaur Liaison Office. They don't concern themselves with anything, really.
Right. Could you point me to the Department of Mysteries, then?
How do you... I'm not technically supposed to tell anyone how to get there. Unspeakables don't exactly hand out maps. But if things are as serious as you say, maybe they'll make an exception. Take the lift. Best case, someone gets your headmistress to come fetch you. Don't expect a guided tour or a badge, yeah?
Excuse me, is this the Hall of Prophecies?
I'm afraid I can't disclose that.
I'm here from Hogwarts. There's a centaur crisis in the Forbidden Forest. I think a prophecy might be involved. Do you know anything about it?
I'm afraid I can't disclose that.
Another student came to the ministry with me. Have you seen her?
I'm afraid I can't disclose that.
The headmistress said Miss Voidmere was invited here. Someone must know about her. Let me guess, you can't disclose that either. I'm not very proud of myself right now.
Prophecy. Your name, please. There is a prophecy you should probably hear. Please follow me.
Wait, what?
Do not touch any prophecy that is not yours. You'll know. They won't react to you. Many think it's easy to find a specific prophecy in this hole. They underestimate just how many exist. Most only get themselves lost. It's rare to stumble across one by chance. Even Mr. Potter didn't find his through luck alone.
I never thought this would happen.
It's more common than you think. There are countless prophecies in this place, not all are momentous. I'm afraid I can't disclose that.
Of course you can't.
They may come true in ways you can't yet imagine. Ah, EV to EV. The end, and here we are.
The end beckons, the end of all that is now. Look not to witches nor wizards for protection, for all who stand with them shall perish. However, not all threads of fate hold forever. One may yet rescue the world from the end. The Savior destined for this world shall seek the outcast, the one apart from his kind, the one who carried a Savior before and will carry one again.
I'm sorry, Headmistress. I found a prophecy. It might be important. Well, not exactly. I ran into someone I know there, and long story short, I think this prophecy somehow reached the centaurs. It said, "The end beckons, the end of all that is known. Look not to witches nor wizards for protection, for all who stand with them shall perish." I think the centaurs believe it's true, and that's why they want nothing to do with us. But this is the only explanation that fits. Maybe it won't play out exactly as it says, but if the centaurs believe it's true... Even so... did you do this?